Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Zukaka car jump starter. First, confirm your Zukaka jump starter has sufficient power, ideally 75% or more, before you begin. Make sure your car's ignition is completely off, with all accessories such as the headlights or radio also switched off. Next, locate your car battery and briefly clean any visible corrosion from the terminals. Remember, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gloves and eye protection. Now let's connect the cables correctly and safely. First, take the red positive clamp from your Zukaka jump starter and firmly attach it to your car battery's red positive terminal. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a sturdy, unpainted metal part of your engine block or the car's chassis, away from the battery itself. Double-check that both clamps are secure and not touching anything else. Allow approximately 30 seconds for the jump starter to prime itself. Once your cables are securely connected, it's time to start your vehicle. Enter your car and attempt to start the engine as you normally would. If the car does not start on the first try, wait for about 20 to 30 seconds before attempting to start it again. Remember, do not crank the engine for longer than 5 seconds during each attempt to prevent overheating the starter motor. If your car still doesn't start after 3 attempts, your battery may be severely discharged or experiencing a different problem. After your car successfully starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the car's metal part. Then, detach the red positive clamp from your car battery's positive terminal. Once removed, store your Zukaka jump starter in a safe, cool place, away from direct sunlight. It is crucial to fully recharge your jump starter within 72 hours of use, ensuring it is ready for any future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.